to the channel, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. And this game, we need to do the opposite. We need to press the button. And when we press the button, it will appear a minigame. For example, this one. This one we need to dodge the rocks, the stuff that appears. Like for example, I died with a rock. So let's start. And it said that someone had a bomb and it would explode. What? Oh, it's a bomb. Yeah, it explodes. 100 coins. Daily reward. Be careful. What? Low. Be careful. And it appears a giant ball. Okay, prepare. Get on the green pad. We need to... You already saw what happens with the other platforms. Here, this game will be easy. Yeah, this game is pretty easy. Yellow. Oh, it's not ordered. Or I think it's just coincidence. Oh. What? Oh no, it's not. This girl is what? How's this girl flying? Okay. Oh, I think there's lasers. Okay. It's like pretty easy. This girl is glitched again. Lol, how did I die that way? It's like so easy and they died. It's to collect eggs. The person who collect most eggs wins. Where's the eggs? Where are them? I know that appear eggs. The time went. Oh, I found one. I need to get it. It's so big, this map. I can see no one. Okay. Let's see. I am not finding eggs. Oh, there's a person super fast. Yeah. The person is with 2 eggs. How did I not find eggs? Oh, one over here. Nice. Okay. I need to find more because the person super fast was with 2. Yeah. I need to find 3. Or maybe it dies. I don't know. Where's the eggs? Oh, what? The guy found too much eggs. Oh no. Low. I pressed the button, but the laser killed me. Let's go to the next match. We need to jump in. Oh, okay. Oh, who did not jump died low. Oh, this minigame again that need to collect eggs. But now I'm gonna collect even more and win. Let's try to find eggs. Yeah, I won't win. I almost didn't saw this one. Okay, I think there's one over here. There's one here. Okay. With 2 eggs. 3 now, that's pretty good. Okay. Let's try to find more eggs. Oh, there's one here and other there. I'll get this one before anyone gets it. Now I'm with 5 eggs. What a luck. I need to find more. Or not, the people who's gonna find eggs and win from me. Oh no. Who won? I think it was a tie. At this moment, I didn't saw the winning message, lol. Like me and that girl. Because didn't lol. Because it didn't appear who won. Okay, let's get to the top. Oh, let's see. Where? Nice. Okay. Let's go to the top of the hill. Oh, I think this here. Okay, let's go. We need to get to the top of the mountain. I think it's here. No, it's not. What? I think. Yeah. Oh no. There's spikes. Oh, there's here. What? Okay, let's go. The guy that was going died. Oh, I won. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't enter the house. Is there some Easter egg or something? I think there's not. Okay, let's go to the next match. Okay, so we're here and we jumped. Oh, we need to steal the bank. I know this, but do not do this at real life. Probably we'll get rewards at the game because this is the bank. Let's try to not touch the lasers. Okay, now come back. Okay. I really want those coins from rewards. Okay, and yeah, +1. I just got 5 coins and that guy killed me. Come on. Oh, he has this item that can kill. Let's see if I can buy. Oh, it's very expensive. And read this. Oh, I can turn little of this. Okay, let's go to the next match. Okay, we're here and that one. Oh no. It's raining bombs everywhere. I'm trying to get coins over here. Oh no, the guy got me. Okay, there's no more coin. This is so easy that let's go to the next match. Okay, so we are here and what? Oh, there's a big ball over here. Oh, I dodged. Nice. Okay. Just that. Oh, I know this one. We need to stay here so we do not get frozen. And I am super fast at this minigame. If I stay a little bit without those mini protections, I die. Yeah. We need to get into the air. Let's go. Winners. Okay, but this was the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye bye.